Hey guys, sorry for the short video, but I had some video and audio corruption going on. But basically what I was going for with this was an open air radiator. My pool, as small as it was heating up too much during the day, so I wanted to use the cool night air to touch as much water as possible to cool it off so that it reduced the max temperature the pool could hit during the day. So hopefully that explains at least the gist of what I was going for, so that you can see the picture-in-picture in the top right-hand corner, the kind of me building it and put it together, and then the remainder of the video that is playing on the most of the screen is the video and audio that was saved from the issues that I had. So hopefully it is as clear as it can be. Any questions, put in the comments, and I'll try to answer. Thanks. All right, here we have the setup we created yesterday. Ran out of time and got a piece. So to go to Clark's house, we're going to Lowe's and get another piece. See, here we have 2 shower heads connected to a 3/4 inch pipe, which cuts down to 1/2 inch pipe down to an external pump, and then we'll hose to connect into the drain nozzle of the pool. And this all is in an attempt to create a way to cool the water off. It's only about a 3,300 gallon pool. To cool the water off at night because it gets so hot where we're at. The water's becoming a bath, and I'm having to use a lot of chlorine to keep it clean. So hopefully this piece right here, a female to female, what I would call a female to female coupler, is going to do it for us. And what it'll do is connect the hose here to the hose so there we go. There we go. Get it on good and tight, and this will connect to the drain I put out Roundup about a week and a half ago. This will connect to the drain. Drain hose of the pool. All goes well. There we go. There you go. Just something that when it cools off at night, the cooler air can touch more water and it can circulate. So what right now, I got a pump that you can connect. Let's turn it off. I got a pump that you can connect and have a daylight dust dome sensor on it. So the idea is that put it into power. I've got to fix a leak right there too. Put it into power and put the dust dome sensor on, and then whenever it gets dark, the pump turns on, starts doing its thing. When the sun comes up at night, it turns off. So let me get a wrench, fix these last couple things, and give it one more shot.